So here we are in the lovely backyard of 1605 North Curson. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a converted guest house with a bathroom as well back there. And it's listed at 1.9 by Lisa LaBelle in our office. Let's take a look. As you walk through the front door, you are greeted with a warm, open living area. There's the fabulous Lisa LaBelle in our office, the listing agent. Original fireplace, living area, tons of windows and natural light. To the left, there's a den. And it has a side door there that also goes into the backyard area. Let's walk through. We're going to walk through. You can see it moves seamlessly. We have some built-ins here, and she added the touches of the same hardware for the cabinets in the dining room as in the kitchen. So there's continuity of style and flow. Great tile here. Easily workable kitchen, pantry. The left, there's a little California basement. Now to the masters to the right with a master bath, but we're going to move past these and go to the first bedroom at the end of the hall. Oh, well, here's the shared bath here. This is the largest of the 3 bedrooms, not the master. Big bay window here. Closet, hi. Masked and safe. Ample closet space on the sides here. You see storage galore. Here's the second bedroom. Again, just windows and windows, and a large closet in here as well. Original floors in this section of the house. That goes back to the kitchen. There's the little basement door you saw. And then here's a third bedroom. There's original parquet floor here. And then the master, which we have to stop calling the master. We have to find a better name for that. They opened up the ceiling to the attic, so you see the exposed beams there, but still beautiful built-ins. Closets, settee, you can get a glimpse of the converted garage back there. Just a lush backyard. There's the ensuite bath. There's French doors going out onto the patio, but let's take a look at the bathroom first. Here we go. Dual sinks. I think that's a towel warming rack. Oh man, I want a towel warming rack in my house. Tub shower combo. This is some funky tile. I really like it. I actually really, really like it. And I love the handle for the shower is on the left-hand side, which makes it a lot easier instead of having to reach around all the time. Going outside, we have this dining area covered. There's some really interesting lighting all throughout here. There's some French doors back into the kitchen, so you can see the flow right out through the front door there. Ample space here. And the backyard is hedged by tall, tall trees. Gives a real feeling of seclusion and privacy, like a secret garden. It is fake grass, so you just leaf blow it and hose it off. But look at this avocado tree, and look at these cool lights hanging from this avocado tree. I can only imagine what this looks like at night. It's just, I find these things so magical and wonderful. A little seating area for your conversations. Really spacious backyard. There's the master bedroom again. The side area they have, that's access to the driveway, but let's look in the guest cottage, ADU, converted garage. It's a very decent size, and they have bathroom in the back portion. Stand-up shower with blue mosaic tile here. I know the camera looks a little dizzy right now, probably, but there you go. Big French doors leading back out into the yard. And here's the side yard that goes to the driveway gate. And here we go, back to the beginning. So this is 1605 North Curson. And if you have any unrepresented buyers, please don't hesitate to reach out. It is a charming, charming 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a converted garage, very usable kitchen, asking $1.9 million.